pretty. It is. Got it.
Okay, today we're having lunch with the world famous Lana's Enterprises.
Happy New Year!
Also Aunt Lana's world famous pho.
That's right.
Oh my gosh. I think this is the only place in the world you can get a liquid pot of gold.
A real black. No mixing.
Dun dun.
No mixing.
Dun dun.
Here you go, right here. Egg roll, we don't smaller one. I forgot
There's the
all about it,
noodles
but I
and the
didn't go there, so
balls
it's dead.
and
So I
amazing
just moved it till
topping.
it got a little-
Num 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 num. Okay, we have the grand chef here. What's it?
Okay. In Vietnamese, it's called phở đặc biệt, special phở.
Special pho.
Yeah, Lana's special phở.
Lana's special
Okay?
pho.
And this is the chả giò gà. That means chicken egg roll. Organic, non-GMO, and it's selling at Whole Foods.
Whole Foods.
Yeah,
Talk
all
to me.
556 stores.
Wow.
This is the vegetable egg roll, also in Whole Foods, and that I started in 37 years ago. And this is tofu with the shrimp.
That's delicious. And you put what on
Đây
that?
là đậu hũ.
Yeah. And you put a little of this.
You put that sauce. It's part of soy sauce, part of tamari, and part of sesame oil on here. And this is bacon dips from Captain Rodney. You eat it with the crackers. And this is our friend, neighbors make this cookies.
And that,
And this is the dry ginger.
that's crazy good.
It is really good and hot.
Okay.
Recognize good.
This is the assembly line, right?
Yeah, right here, it's start to have pho. And you start out
I
with
took video of the whole process. It was
a
nice.
little bit of noodles and the rest of them with meat. I'll show you this is the cilantro and onion, green onion.
So that's special because usually people serve it whole and you actually chop it up, right?
Right, but you have to, yeah, and smell it. It's really good.
He lives in a retired community.
Good, right?
So
Candle on?
Num 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 num.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So, it's about ready in 5 minutes.
I'll have
Okay, you got the
more
Oh, yeah.
noodles, the meat. Oh,
Raw
num
meat.
num num
Restaurant
num
in
num.
Houston, and that's all they make. They don't
So,
do anything but pho. That's it, nothing else.
That's right.
And it was so
Okay, there it is.
Callie,
The
this
Queen's
is
plate.
yours.